Welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host, Clinton Johnson. Hey, what I got for you guys today is a 40-foot Silverton Aft Cabin Motor Yacht. So let's take a look at this boat. All right, there she is. These Silvertons, you know, they're really nice boats and they're really popular. A lot of people really like these. Not that they don't like, you know, other models, Carvers and Meridians, and the list goes on and on, but these Silvertons, people really like them. This one has a big swim platform. Looks like it has a place there for the dinghy. Kind of try to get you a little bit of a, I know online you can get pictures and look at side views and general layouts. Kind of hard to do an all around when you're on the dock, but all right, let's hop aboard this boat and take a look. Coming up from the aft swim platform, have a real nice aft patio area back here. We will get on the inside of the boat here soon, but I'm going to do a quick little tour of the outside. Sink, little ice maker, refrigerator. Love the ship's bells, guys. All right, we'll get up on this Flybridge. This boat does have radar. You can see your GPS, which is the little small unit there. Radio antenna. It's like another antenna maybe for TV or something like that, and then your satellite. But it also has two solar panels. And I'm not particularly sure, can't remember what the guy told me on how many watts of solar that provides, but this boat does have it. I actually caught him earlier on board the boat, and they're getting ready to go out for 4th of July, so I'm going to kind of date this video a little bit, but you can see that he actually has the Garmin chart plotter on. And he'd asked me to do this video. Got some more seating up forward here. I'd sit probably easily 3 people very comfortably. Back here you could seat another 4, if not 5. We're just going to go down onto the bow real quick. Got yourself some nice cushions that you could lay out on here around that forward hatch. Here's your electric windlass there. And you got your controls right there, little foot pedal controls for the windlass. And then you can go up on that side as well. All right, let's hop back down and we'll get ourselves on the inside. All right, coming back on down here. It's kind of nice, get out of the sun. It's a warm, humid day here in Florida. This boat is in Fort Myers, Florida. Oh, nice. I can feel the AC already going. Probably can hear a little hum when we get down there. So let's get down inside. Hey guys, this channel is sponsored by Tupperware rep Sailor Jen. Tupperware truly is the ultimate galley ware for your boat, and it comes with a great warranty to boot. They are the ultimate source of high quality, lightweight, low rattle utensils, dishes, and cups for your boat or home. Furthermore, their unbeatable food storage containers are the only food storage devices approved for use by the U.S. military when they move military households. Don't have heavy and noisy galleyware on your boat, and go high quality when trying to keep pesky bugs and moisture out of your food, especially on your boat. Go to sailorgen.com today, check out all of their offerings, and order up your new galleyware today. Email any questions to Tupperware@sailorgen.com. Thank you, and remember that your order helps out this channel. Really nice open salon. Go into the galley. I like the fact that the owner has on the TV the waves going with the sound of waves in the background. It's kind of nice. So a whole bunch of storage. Looks like that's when they made the bigger TVs, you know, they used to put them in there, but you could put more electronics down there. It looks like some additional electronics from the past in there, but good storage. More good storage. Now you got your Aft Master Stateroom, but we'll get back there soon. Engine access here, guys, is really good. Earlier when I came, he had this carpet all rolled up, and I'm not going to roll it up for you here. You know, my main thing is just to get you an inside look on boats. But he was down there just checking all his oil levels and everything for when they were going to take the boat out later today. As we get up in the galley here, you know, a pretty good size refrigerator. And it obviously works very well. This is a Norcold model. And that is also cold. Microwave. Fairly large cabinet here. Deep. Oh, and I love these when these roll out. That's slick. Makes really good use of the space. Pretty deep, good size. Wow, these are really deep. Fit a lot of pots and pans. So good size sink. Good size stovetop. And even some additional storage down here. Oh, and look at all that up there. Ton more. I love these little springs that keep it open. They're really nice. You got seating for probably easily comfortably 4 people there. Let's head to the forward stateroom. We'll check that out. But maybe we'll just check out the head first, which is right here. Pretty decent size head. You can see me there in the mirror. But this shower is actually really deep and large. Look at that. Let's check out this forward V-berth, forward stateroom. Very large bed. Got some hanging lockers there. Bunch of storage down here, down below. I haven't looked before, but these should be fairly deep. Yeah, they're very deep and big. Wow, look how deep and big that is. You could fit a very large suitcase in there. Additionally, you could have some storage under there. Let's take a look at this locker. There's his eyes in glass, which he doesn't currently have on, but it looks like it's fairly clear. Not too bad. All right, let's work our way back to the galley and the salon, and we'll go check out that Aft Master Stateroom. All right, large bed. Room to get in and out even over there. That's always nice. Looks like we have some good size storage lockers there. Additionally, more storage down below there. Hatches there for light. They don't open, but this big one back here does open, so you could get good airflow coming through here. Additionally, you got your AC vent. You can feel it coming out right now. Sleep well at night. TV. Large, deep locker here. As we move aft here, let's take a look, and here's the Aft Master Stateroom head. With, once again, a large shower. Well, thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Boat Snoop. I really appreciate you spending your time with me to see this really cool 40-foot Silverton Aft Cabin Motor Yacht. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell. And if you like this video, or maybe you liked another video and you forgot to hit the thumbs up, hit the thumbs up on this. That really helps the channel. And I'll see you next time.